Major Kalshi classes, online courses for all defense exams, recorded lecture, e-notes, daily live classes, online test. अब online पढ़ेगा तभी तो फौजी बनेगा इंडिया. Download the MKZ Learning app and fulfill your dreams.
So may I come in?
Please come in. Okay, please sit down. Tell me about yourself in 5 minutes.
So my name is Deepshikha and I am from Varanasi. My father is working in CRPF as inspector. My mother is a homemaker, and I have an elder brother. He is also pursuing LLB. I have done my 10th from Kendriya Vidyalaya 9GTC, and here I scored 7.4 CGPA, and done my 12th from KU 9GTC and scored 67%. I did my graduation from Lucknow University, and here I scored 56%. And I have done my law graduation from Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapith, and here I scored 60%. My hobbies are singing, dancing, and I was school house captain, sports captain, and I have also been a Kathak dancer. And so my aim is to become an Indian Army officer. That's all, sir.
Okay. So basically you are from Varanasi.
Yes, sir.
Proper Varanasi city or from some village?
No, sir. Sir, proper Varanasi city.
Which area of Varanasi?
Pahadiya
Pahadiya.
Sarnath. Yes,
Okay. Your interview is here at Bangalore. Now, I want to visit Varanasi.
Yes, sir.
What are the famous places you will recommend me?
So you can visit the ghats, temples, Vishwanath Old Temple, Vishwanath New Temple, Sankat Mochan, Annapurna Mandir, Durga Mandir, Sir Ram Mandir, Sir BHU campus. You can also visit BHU campus. So that's
Okay, what are other things very famous in Varanasi?
Banaras is famous for his Banarsi sarees. Banarsi foods, so like Malayo, Lassi. Banaras is also famous for Ramnagar Fort.
Okay, I think Banarsi Pan is also there.
Yes, sir, Banarsi Pan is
so
also
these
famous.
are Banarsi Sari, Banarsi Pan, these are very famous things.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the population of Varanasi? City, I mean.
Yes, sir. So approx 200 million.
200?
Million.
10 million का 1 crore होता है.
Yes, sir.
200 million.
So I don't know, sir.
10 million का 1 crore होता है.
Yes, sir.
And 200 million, just you think, what is the population of Varanasi you are telling?
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
we should be very careful.
Okay, sir. Okay,
all
sir.
right. So, it is like Allahabad, check from net, what is the actual figure. Okay. So, you did your schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya, 10th and 12th both.
Yes, sir.
And some 7 point some CGPA.
7.4 CGPA, yes, sir.
Don't you think that you got lower marks? Nowadays people are getting, average people are getting more than 8 CGPA.
Yes, sir.
Don't you think you have got lower marks in class 10 also and class 12 also?
Yes, sir.
Why it is?
So I think, sir, in 10th, sir, my maths was not good. So this leads to my marks.
Coming down.
Yes, sir, coming down.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, who taught you English in class 10? Who was your favorite teacher in class 10? What was the name of the principal when you were in class 10?
Okay, sir.
And which was the favorite subject in class 12? Who was your favorite teacher, name of the principal
Okay, sir.
when you were in class 12?
Yes, sir. So when
And tell me population of Varanasi district. How many districts are there in UP? Who is your Parshad in Varanasi? Who is the mayor of Varanasi? Who is the governor of UP? How many districts are there in UP? Tell me two quality each of your father and mother. How many close friends you have? Tell me two quality each of them.
Okay, sir.
Answer.
Sir, Varanasi is having 25 districts, and its governor is Mrs. Anandi Ben Patel, and sir.
Okay, no problem. Tell me, what is population of Varanasi district?
So Varanasi district, sir, no idea.
No. Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, let us come to your father and mother.
Yes, sir.
Your father is serving in
CRPF.
CRPF.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where he is posted now?
Sir, Sukma, Chhattisgarh.
Sukma area.
Yes, sir.
That is Chhattisgarh area.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose your interview is going on at Bangalore.
Yes, sir.
What are the states you have crossed to come to Bangalore?
Sir, actually, sir, I have never visited Bangalore. Okay.
No, it is not connected with your visits.
Yes, sir.
It is connected with the map of India.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, look at the map. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So he's sub-inspector?
Yes, sir, inspector.
He's inspector.
Yes, sir.
What rank they put on shoulder? Inspector?
Sir, 2-star.
Acha.
So 3-star, 3-star. Yes, sir.
3 stars.
3-star.
At present, who is the director of CRPF?
Sir, AP Maheshwari.
AP?
Maheshwari.
Mr. AP Maheshwari.
Mr. AP Maheshwari.
है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When you take the name of elders, you
Yes.
add Mr. or Mrs.
Okay,
or
sir.
Srimati.
Okay, sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
So he is the director of CRPF.
Yes, sir.
You are closer to your father or mother,
Sir, both.
both,
Yes, sir.
equally.
Yes, sir.
Tell me two qualities of each which you like.
Sir, I would like to tell about my mother qualities. So she is very supportive, and many times my father doesn't understand me. So she help him to understand my thoughts. And sir, my father is very supportive, and he always try to make me stronger and tell me to never quit.
Okay. How many districts are there in UP?
75 districts.
Did you know what you told? Just a little bit before you told 25 districts.
75, sir.
75, all right.
Yes, sir.
But you told 25 districts.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I wanted to bring to your notice that time, but while speaking data, be very much careful, right? Have you ever been to Vishwanath temple at Varanasi?
Yes, sir.
How many times?
Sir, old Vishwanath temple at least 2 or 3 times, and sir, new Vishwanath temple I visit many times.
New Vishwanath temple means BHU.
BHU, yes, sir, BHU campus.
Which is the big name behind BHU?
Sir Sundar Lal.
Pandit Madan Mohan
Pandit Madan
Malviya.
Mohan Malviya, yes,
No?
sir. Yes, sir.
Pandit Madan Mohan
Yes,
Malviya.
sir.
ठीक है, okay. You know the name of Chief Minister of UP now?
Yes, sir.
Who is he?
The CM Yogi Adityanath, sir.
Yogi Adityanath. From which party he is?
So BJP.
BJP. Do you like your CM?
Yes, sir.
You like him?
Yes, sir.
Why you like him?
So he's taking many providing measures for our state. Sir, he is taking many actions against crime also, and sir, providing many facility for girls. Sir,
And he is from BJP.
yes, sir.
So you like that? BJP's government is there in UP,
Yes, sir.
led by Yogi Adityanath.
Yes, sir.
Are you happy with this, that he is from BJP?
Yes, sir.
अगर सपा के अखिलेश यादव होते तो would you have liked him also in the same manner as you
Sir,
are liking him?
Sir, if he work in a appropriate manner, sir, I will obviously I like him, like his work.
No, tell me clearly. Your liking is towards Yogi Adityanath as CM, or your liking is that Yogi Adityanath belongs to BJP?
No, sir, he is a CM. That's why I like him.
He's CM, that's why you like.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, have you ever taken any part in college by any organization like there are many type of organizations, small organizations in college and universities also. Have you any time been part of those small organizations?
Yes, sir. So like so sports events,
Hmm.
so cultural annual function,
Hmm.
and sir. So that's
You told me that you were the sports captain.
yes, sir.
Also.
Yes, sir. So house sports captain.
How's a sports
Yes,
captain?
sir. Yes, sir.
Actually, which is your favorite sports?
So, sir, I am casual player of Kho and sir badminton too.
Casual player of Kho.
Yes, sir.
So badminton also.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Tell me some big names in badminton. Big names in India.
Also, Saina Nehwal,
Hmm.
uh,
PV Sindhu.
PV Sindhu. Yes, sir.
Mhm.
PV Sindhu.
Achha. What may be the dimension of badminton court? Standard badminton court. What is its dimension? What is the height of the net? The upper height of the net? What is the length of standard racket?
No idea.
No. Achha. Okay. It's your favorite, casually you are playing, that's all right. But when you are going for interview, you must check it from net.
Okay, sir.
What are the datas?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So you want to be army officer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Why you want to be army officer?
Sir, I
With
want.
this you come to High Court, you will earn in lakhs per month. Allahabad High Court.
Yes, sir.
You know?
Yes.
There are ladies, there are gents who are lawyers, big lawyers and senior lawyers. They are earning in crores.
Yes, sir.
Why you want to join Indian Army? You will never have a very big payment.
No, sir. But I want to serve my nation, make my nation proud, and as well as there are many perks of joining Indian Defence. So that's why I want to join my Indian Army.
No, so what are many other things due to which you want to join? Well, ठीक है. You want to make yourself proud,
Yes,
and
sir.
you want to make nation
Nation
proud,
proud, yes,
of you.
Yes, sir.
What are the other things you were telling that? और क्या है?
So various perks of joining. So like so we will get payment, high payment,
Hmm.
so power, respect.
How many generals are there in army?
Uh,
What is the highest rank in the army? My rank is wing commander,
yes, sir.
Air Force. What is my equivalent rank in army? Okay.
Captain.
No, it is lieutenant colonel.
Okay, sir.
Okay, tell me some names of some fighting equipments in the army. Chalo, let us come to your law training. You know? Nowadays, Kisan Andolan is going on at
Yes, sir.
Delhi.
Yes, sir.
They are opposing certain laws which have been passed recently by Parliament.
Yes, sir.
What are those laws they are opposing?
Okay, sir. So there are three bills, three farmer bills that government have passed. So the first one is Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Act 2020. Farmers agreement on price assurance and Farm Service Tax Act 2020 and Special Commodities Act 2020, and they are opposing it as they think it is not suitable for them. It is not beneficiary for agriculture. So that's why they are opposing it.
So basically, it is related to what they are telling on television, the contract farming and all this type of system through this law they want to bring. They are opposed to this, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Achha. Okay, other than your course books, do you anytime read some other books, some novels, some story books, some other books, some journals? Do you read other than your course books? I mean,
No, sir. This time I'm only reading my course books only.
course book.
Yes, sir.
What newspaper do you read?
Sir, Hindustan Times.
Hindustan Times.
Yes, sir.
Which edition?
Sir,
Published from which place?
sir, published in New Delhi.
Who is the chief editor of Hindustan Times?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, look at the rear page, the rearmost page of your paper.
Yes, sir.
In very small letters, in some corner, these names are daily given. Okay? What is the cost of this paper?
So 4 rupees.
On Sundays?
No, sir. Every time I purchase it.
Your paper has some supplements. Some 2-page extra they give on different days. Those are called supplements. By which name its supplements come?
The Indian Express.
Okay, how many union territories are there in India?
So 8.
8.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the names.
So Myanmar, Ladakh,
क्या बोली? Myanmar?
Myanmar.
Myanmar is a country
Okay, sir.
to the east of India.
Yes, sir.
वो हमारा यूनियन टेरिटरी नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
ओके, लद्दाख हो गया. चलो.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay, which is the union territory which is not at one place? It is surrounded by 3 different states. It is in 3 parts, surrounded by 3 different states. Which is that union territory?
sir, I don't.
Chalo. If you get commission, what rank you are going to get?
Sir, Lieutenant.
If you are able to get commissioned in army, what rank you are going to get? You will be given some army rank now.
Yes, sir.
What is that rank?
Sir, Lieutenant.
Lieutenant, okay.
Yes.
If you get promotion after that, what is the next rank?
So Captain.
ठीक है. What is difference between field marshal and general?
So General. So who give instructions, and Field Marshal. So who perform on field.
No. This is not right.
Okay, sir.
Anyway, separately I will tell you all about this.
Yes, sir.
How many close friends you have?
So I have 2 or 3 close friends.
How many friends are there in your general friend circle?
Sir, I have no more friends. So 10 or 20 friends.
10 to 20.
Yes, sir.
And very close friends too.
Yes, sir.
Tell me their names.
So one is Umesh Srivastav, another is Anjali Singh.
Umesh Srivastav.
Yes.
Which place he belongs to?
So he is also from Varanasi.
And Anjali also from Varanasi.
Yes, sir.
What is name of Srivastav's father?
Sir, Arun Kumar Srivastav.
What is his profession?
So he is an advocate.
How many brothers and sisters he has?
Sir, he has 1 brother and 1 sister.
What is their names?
Sir, Anjali Srivastav and Anubhav Srivastav.
Tell me the names of Anjali's
Sir,
siblings. Anjali's siblings.
Sir, Anjali is having 1 sister, Jyoti Singh.
Okay, tell me two qualities each of Srivastav and Anjali, which you like.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Sir, Umesh Srivastav is my college friend. So he is he's always helped me in my college works, supported me, motivated me. And Anjali is my school friend. So she always helped me in my school works and always support me. We exchange our ideas, suggestions, and so this.
How many boyfriends you have?
So I have no boyfriend.
Not even one.
No, sir.
Amazing, no?
Yes, sir.
Why don't you have boyfriends?
Sir, I am not interested, sir. I love making friends.
When I'm asking boyfriend, I mean the close, very close boyfriend. So you don't have one.
No, sir. No, sir.
Tell me reason. Generally, no. Girls of your age and boys of your age, they have girlfriend, boyfriend. It is a fashion nowadays.
Yes, sir.
You know, because society, day by day, society is opening up.
Yes, sir.
What is the reason you don't have a boyfriend?
Sir, actually, sir, I don't find a man who is equal to my ideas, or and sir, my parents don't like such things. So, sir,
Chalo, okay. Have you ever been in some quarrelsome situation any time?
so quarrels.
Quarrelsome situation?
Yes, sir. So we have family issues in my house.
That's a family issue.
Yes, sir.
Not with other outside family. कुछ tension type anytime it happens?
So in school.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. So some boys, sir, they used to tease me. Sir, and so because of that, we had a fight.
So you must have slapped them?
No, sir. So slapped them. No,
What
sir.
did you do?
Sir, I informed my father and my brother. So they came to school and they handled them. So they complained from teachers. Yes, sir.
Achha. After that, they have not done that.
No, sir.
Have you done any adventurous thing? Any time?
No, sir.
No. So what is going on in the country nowadays?
Sir, spreading of COVID-19. And sir, two vaccines have been approved by the Drug Controller General of India. That is Covaxin and
Okay, 2 vaccines have been approved.
Approved by, yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, you have not done any adventurous thing up to this time,
Yes, sir.
and you don't know much about your city. You don't know much about general knowledge. Anyway, do you know when Panipat's third battle took place?
Yes, sir.
Not aware. Okay, you are not aware about many things.
Yes, sir.
Do you think you can be selected? अगर मैं कहूँ कि फादर और मदर में से एक को सेलेक्ट करो कि मैंने यू लाइक आई लाइक हिम मोर और हर मोर, whom will tell?
So it is not possible to. So both are equal
So
for me.
you are equally close to both of
Yes,
them.
sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me some international news.
So I didn't read it.
GDP, what is its full form?
So growth development.
GDP.
Gross domestic product.
Okay, define gross domestic product. क्या है ये? अच्छा, okay. What is GDP of India at present? You tell me approximately.
So approximately so 5.3.
Nine. Chalo, I give you a situation. You must have gone here in civil lines,
Yes, sir.
Subhash Chowraha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have gone at around say 5:30 in the evening with one of your friends to shop for something. After coming out from the shop, just on that near that chowraha, at the corner of that chowraha, two students, your college or university students, they are there and they start teaching you. They start teaching you.
Yes.
What will you do? एक ने तुम्हारी चुन्नी खींच ली.
Yes, sir.
What will you do?
Sir, I will take help of my friend, and sir, firstly I will slap them, and so then I will call 100 and as well as 1090, and and write their bike, note their bike number.
Time is 5:30.
Yes, sir.
Proper evening.
Yes, sir.
And you know, at Subhash Chowra it is too much rush due to so many shoppers and people robbing here and there, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So even you don't need to slap. You just shout. Rest of the things public will do.
Yes, sir.
Just shout, and the people will gather. The rest of the thing they will do. You don't have to do anything.
Yes, sir.
So be just practical. Why you want to call police? Police is always there at Subhash Chowra.
Okay, sir.
You know,
Yes,
this corner or that corner.
Yes, sir.
But you need not call anybody. Just shout जोर से. And आपकी उम्र के बहुत बच्चे वहाँ घूमते हैं. They will do rest of the things for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow is your parents' anniversary. Your father has come on leave. I'm telling you to organize a marriage anniversary party at home.
Yes, sir.
Organize it.
Yes.
Organize it.
Okay, sir. So first of all, I will send them my father outside for some work, and then, sir, I will call some of my friends, take my help of my brother, and so I will order cake, so catering, and so for I will bring decoration items. So I will decorate my home. So bring gifts for them, my parents. So that's.
But Deepshikha, party without guests.
Oh yes, sir.
It's not okay.
Yes, sir. So invite.
So you call some guests also.
Yes,
no?
a guest also.
Who are the guests?
So my neighbors, my father's close friends, my mother's relatives, and mine and my brother's.
Where is Anath Ashram at Varanasi?
So at Laurabir.
Laurabir. Have you
sir.
ever visited that place?
No, sir.
No. Okay.
So I'm planning to visit.
You must
there.
visit
Yes,
at least
sir.
once.
So on my birthday, yes,
Take
sir.
some biscuits and all.
Yes,
you
sir.
know,
Yes, sir.
and go there.
Yes, sir.
Where is old age home at Varanasi?
So I do know old age home, sir.
Okay, just find out.
Yes, sir.
Just find out.
Okay, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Even Google will be able to tell you.
Yes, sir.
You know?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Major Kalshi classes, online courses for all defense exams, recorded lecture, e-notes, daily live classes, online test. अब online पढ़ेगा तभी तो फौजी बनेगा इंडिया. Download the MKC Learning app and fulfill your dreams.